In this video, I wanted to show you how to create a search parameter in Crystal Reports. Say you want to find someone named Gary in this long list of names, and you only remember the first few letters of his name. Well, we can put in a search parameter and add parameter, right click, say new. And then I'm going to call this search last name. I'm going to leave it as a static. I'm not going to add any value field or description field. I'm just going to say OK. Click OK. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to my Select Expert, which is this button. You can also find it under your report menu. Go to my Select Expert. And then I'm going to click on last name. And then here I'm going to say my last name is like. And then here I'm going to say open single quotes. Actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to say search last name, and then I'm going to show formula, because here is where I'm going to say plus open single quotes, and that's going to give me a wildcard. The star is multiple. If you just want one, you can use a question mark, one letter, but star is multiple letters, and your single quotes. So that is going to say OK. Okay, so you see here my parameter screen popped up, and I remember his last name begins with VAR. VAR. And then I'm just going to say OK. And then refresh data. And so you can see that it gives me all the names that the last name begins with VAR. And if you wanted to just search for a string within the string, not just the first three letters, you can actually put one of those characters in front as well as in back. So you would just do plus, actually, open single quotes here, wildcard, star, asterisk, and plus there. Okay. And say OK. And then you can search. See, so VAR gives me all the anywhere that VAR is actually in the middle of the text there. I think it makes more sense in this case to do just the first few letters, but so you see VARs at the end. And that's how you do a wildcard search.